Ntunde chitalinga na Torende Gusii ngoli avocado. Ngoli avocado njikulire sukuma. Ntunde chitalinga. Ngoli avocado juna nyola avocado koni kwa misini Gusiiga. Avocado Gusii koni kwa misini 70 80 asana linde bagete mia. Tikana lisa chitauni ya Busungu. Isa unaronyo muntu bwata yama gutwera. Chitauni ka Busungu emia. Avocado chitakirisi komuno kubwa na enkaga ekoranga njiyo bono tukonyora avocado isiko chitakire mono Abagusii baitu ingi mutagosora farming bono avocado ingi tutagosora avocado turushi chai ekamuruja mangana gasenji chai ingi mutagosora avocado tukore farming echi avocado Gusiiga kichikwama tusimeke avocado chino ya has bantu banyore avocado icho jakinire in 1.5 years kuruga abu twachako chioni evyongozi nyore bingaini bitoka nese chi market cha uchisiko bantu bagocha ba tole chisako tuone avocado icho chisiko inki yato tanga pakusiba mindo tusimeke avocado lakini ningi avocado chikosira Gusiiga endeke moneke chiko gende isiko chinyinge chachi kutumika okoni wo chende isiko mono Nairobi ndu to supply avocado Paiko yombaro kuruma avocado bako tuchiguni paira Nairobi chachi koni woro usichachi kutomu chenda ngumba avocado charule isiko chachire isiko chinyinge mono bono Gusii atu ndubu aje avocado atiro ekintu kyakabere realize ninga Abagusii tu atule mete avocado sana munanje bone mete yane karyonse pi agotire timbo ati moto avocado boniga ndachi kutu yanyi tsinyire oyo tenene to muyo yo my best embleka magocho kutu silo lengo bweka ukakiraze bono iga mbona achi kunyubutora na actually ndo chinko koro kinga yekeire tutabwa avocado Gusii njine example yakamo squeeze munda wataka motakamo ebere goziteyo nale gusaba Abagusii bono ndo base kweba ngaba Gusii na avocado nigentekamo chinze monjiro obuna boni gogende western ne wetenga bantu mbali kuli avocado riri usime kumoji ngosenki Gusii ano tubwate freedom yokole bintu bitu kulingana buna culture yitere toimo kitosimeke avocado tuchitwale kimokware mete tiga moto yose boke mokwara mwarani pi andona ta mo ala mo ikoyali na motegoro mutwera abyeka beka avocado ga gocha nyore nga echi ogenda nacho lakinya mangano gutiga ando barra pi ebirere bitayo kiregendo musali muri Gusii yetu ndubwate avocado mwamanyite nga avocado neke 70 50 90 emia avocado ya muboli ngubtura na kanega na takuna jibieka na akura ngeko gende emia Gusiiga aseito mwamanyite begora kinyibole chama kuguru Gusii chip chana Nairobi jao ni uchipa kubwa Gusii no maita mangana ya usenji beka maita mangana ya bono Abagusii bamito tulinde sana okomenya wetu kwa Gusii tulinde sana kekora njira tiyo ndagora avocado yemi nanyo tumo ndakubulinga ndiye busayika 100 shillings 400 newe tumo tuliro 400 shillings ebusa twachire tokori yikomyo mokebo monyero mutambe baba gandumira na nawo twanjini nywete busa kindomo bali botabwati nyogokoro igore yeno nje baba sokurane na moro chone noyom na kinete babo minda korokiri musiara baba nero kangeire ebusa nakoraki nanyo lakini asenga tolika ngatiga pina kanyoli ditora baka tutamaita mangana akingo to alingi busa twanyu aho to mano yegale njine kinyore menginerete yanda mwinali buyebusa namnyoka na uyebusa kuri mwinali twashe tokoraki twanyu kagusiba tokutana tosugememera twanguseke chenge guseli buti esaba de era awesa batomarogo bono squeezes buse yako ni 400 inki kigasi no kolekana ebusero na beko ba 400 yakagara squeeze ya chafuli we cross kubube chikobe kuchi chemicals ngegere etokote bwangu ejibwanga abantu banyumambi bantu matete kuba patient busake inoko kenako kebeku kebe chingari chikarango memerebe isiye kunurugina bibeku bichikoba apana binde bimbiyo squeeze bakubeka chi chemicals babeka chi chemicals ebusa yayibwangu egere mambi kimogoja mwangusa ende yabeku amaruwa mu chikirensa atalikoya arona ikafu 100 mbia abantu basinyuko gora lakini kama ngeli pina ki Abagusii bali mokorosi busa kira betelero sibusa ngona mpaka morosi tiga pi korosi busa mubegete chi chemicals rasibusa abantu bakunyu tiagotwareta maembe ogita abandi busa ngabi ku formalin ose formalin yamakumuka yatenne kabisa ekonyegere busa abantu banyu kanga yiyete kani ebekire chemicals noine change twagatwarire ngwita abantu bakunyu ngiya changero nanyo kuna pi lakini change yarengo ng'abantu bagatwarire ngiyire distilled water ngambugira ngo kora nyoro muchoyo moyo mora kinyi around iga there is no pure changaye kora zuna bugetutu seito teyo bantu bagutwara ibintu bibe babana mwanywa tigapi kunywa marwayo ase ndo kicho tukora pi namaru mo especially abasacha atukuri yamno sana Abagusii asimule irashinga kicheni ko follow video ngokoraga na chakire ndiko kuna mukwa Times Productions asengubwate matanga na cover live ise camera bali siko bar kose nendelje matanga yede na bachi video na makumuka naba nichibicha alafu nene onye kubate nyange kusemo yugonde bwense bado na utokubata chibicha twagenda live kiriyento irashinga kicheno ngali bagele nenje bamto haki nyinyolere ngokora chi video ga kuchango nyorandi gende kusebona byamuno sana nyasafa seniti atogenda support ni chada inamba nera kugana support channel there's the same number byamuno sana tumira next time.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Gusii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Gusii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusii people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Gusii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Gusii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.